Today's featured car/pickup truck is a 1969 Ford Ranchero 500. And I'll read you the seller notes that he had on the window at the auction. And it reads 1969 Ford Ranchero 500, 351 V8, C4 automatic, 9-inch rear differential, factory power disc brakes, factory AM/FM stereo, finished in the original Meadowlark yellow, original black interior, two-owner Ranchero, full service records and manuals, sold new Huntington Ford, Arcadia, California, drives as good as it looks, built in Kansas City, Kansas, 48-pound, two-door 500 model, H-code 351 V8, one closed door repaint 22 years back, original brightwork, comes with extra trim moldings, upgraded dual exhaust, driver home ready. And it sold for $25,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a good looker, that's for sure. Had some nice options on it, and being a two-owner, looks like it was taken care of its whole life. So I think somebody got a nice deal on it. Gave you a nice car to take to the car show and have something different. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, car/pickup truck, a 1969 Ford Ranchero 500 with a 351 V8, a C4 automatic transmission, a 9-inch rear end, factory power disc brakes, factory AM/FM stereo, original black interior, a two-owner car, sold new in Arcadia, California, that was repainted 22 years ago. And it sold for $25,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.